Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me in my Bloom Daily Planners undated to-do planner. I don't know what this is. It's like a notes, goals, and to-dos planner. So I'm going to get started with planning for April 19th, but first I'm going to go back to yesterday and check off the things that I did. I did have to write an arrow for the things I didn't do, like I didn't get around to planning with my son again. I also didn't get to file my unemployment. I don't know if the website's acting up again or what, but anyways, hopefully I'll be able to do those things today. So for today, the 19th, I'm going to go ahead and start by dating the planner, and then we will figure out what I'm going to be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I also write the numbers next to it because those are my Weight Watchers points, since I am on Weight Watchers and I'm on a weight loss journey. So I'm going to be putting in my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I forgot what was for dinner, so I had to take a moment to go and check my meal planner so I could write down what was for dinner. And for the exercise / self-care box, I'm going to be putting walk 10,000 steps, since that is my daily goal. And today I wrote in that I am grateful for my family time, since we had a nice night last night. We watched part of a movie and hung out, so I was grateful for that time. Then I'm going to move over to my to-do list. I would usually kind of time block over here, but I don't think I'm not going to time block today, just because I don't, the things that I have to do, I didn't write them down in the order I want to do them in. And also I don't know, I can't even say how long deep cleaning the bedroom is going to take me, because I haven't deep cleaned the bedroom in a really long time, and there's a lot to do, and I want to get it done today. So I don't know, we'll see. All I know is I am going to write down my to-dos, and what I need to do. And then of course, once I've got all those to-dos written down, I can create my top priorities, the top 3 priorities of the day. In reality though, all of these are like priorities to me for today, because I've been neglecting planning with my son. I really need to file an employment, obviously. We need to get groceries, obviously. So all of these things are kind of priorities to me, but hopefully I can get them all done. Cross your fingers. And that's it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. The pen that I used this time was a Paper Mate Inkjoy Gel in 1 point or whatever. It's like the thicker. I don't know. I just thought I'd do something different this time. Anyways, definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. I make these videos daily, as well as weekly plan with me's and other things. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the video, because it helps me out. I hope you take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.